You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this character? For more names from Greek mythology, stay tuned. Got loads more for you, and from Homer's Odyssey as well. Now, in English it's said as Ogygia, okay, with a soft G. Ogygia, but I believe it's not how it's pronounced originally in Greek, because the G letter like this in English doesn't exist in Greek. In Greek, I believe it's pronounced, the G's are pronounced more like Y's, so something along the lines of Ogygia, Ogygia, or something like that. But in English it's definitely said Ogygia, but know that in Greek it's not perfectly that. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.